Find the values of m and n. Here the first question is 2 power m equals 0.125. So here 2 power m is equals 0.125. So see here 2 power m, this 0.125, whenever you'll get decimal, first change into like fraction. So it will be like 125 by 1000. Then if it's possible, you can cancel here. So 125 once and 125 times 8, because or otherwise you can cancel in this with 5 table. 5 times 25, 5 times 200, 5 times 5, 5 times 40, 5 times 1, 5 times 8. So we got 2 power m equals 1 by 8. So 2 power m equals 1 by 2, 8 you can write as 2 power 3. 2 power m equals 2 power minus 3. So m value is minus 3 because bases are equal, so we can equate the powers. Now see here I use this one. 8 I wrote as 2 power 3. Then a power m we can write as 1 by a power minus m, or if it is 1 by a power m you can write as a power minus m, this one. And next a power m equals a power n, so bases are equal, we can write m equals n, m value equals n, bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. So in the same way, so m value is here minus 3. Next question, in the same way, see here we have 2 and here also base is 2, it is 512. So what I'll do, I'll write 512 in terms of 2 power like some number. So what I'll calculate 512 prime factorization. 2 times 256, 2 times 128, 2 times 64, 2 times 32, 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, 2 times 1. So clearly here, see 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total 9. So 2 power 9 I can write here. So here bases are same. So I can write a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So on the left side I'll get 2 power 4n plus 2n. 512 I can write as 2 power 9. So 2 power 6n equals 2 power 9. Now here again bases are equal, so I'll equate the powers. 6n equals 9, n equals 9 by 6, n equals 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So in this way we can calculate. So m value is minus 3, n is 3 by 2.